Welcome to AdvSouthAfrica. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rob, and today we have a sub 10-minute transformation of my Honda Elite scooter. We're going to take it from something that looks like this and turn it into a little something that looks like this. You're going to want to stick around till the end to see exactly what I've done to it. Let's get some. What's happening, guys? Welcome to a workshop session with me. Today I'm working on my Honda Elite. It's a lovely little scooter, nice and fuel efficient, easy to ride, but the silver just doesn't do it for me. And they do come out in a red, but not the right color red, at least not for me. I like that original Honda red. So let's have a look. We're gonna do the mirrors black. We're gonna do that back rack black over there, as well as new grips. I mean, this should just finish the build off, but that's not the last thing I'm doing. I'm also going to recover the seat. I'll show you exactly what I want to do there. So I want to do something like this, some nice ribs, make it really look trick. Go ahead and pull the rear rack off, all the panels as well as the mirrors. Yo. Check it out. All the fairings off the bike. We now have a naked Honda Elite. Let's go ahead and prep for paint and make this thing look stylish. Now that's the finish that we are after, guys. Woo! Alrighty, cleaned the parts, already painted mirrors, painted rack. Next thing, paint the scoot black and red. Woohoo! Let's have at it. I got the exact red mixed up that I want. This will match my grips and it will match the seat cover that I'll be doing, so pretty happy with that red, exactly what I wanted. I've got all the panels that I want to paint red prepped and one behind me. All of these we want red, so I've prepped them yesterday, cleaned them, we'll just hit them with a Preps or degreaser just before I paint, and these should all be red by the end of the day. Panels are looking sweet. Let's get them flatted and polished. Oh yes. For the two-tone stuff, I'm just gonna flat, not gonna polish yet. I don't want to actually contaminate the new paint, the black paint that will go on top with polish. So first we're gonna flat those, give those a lick of paint for the black side, but then on these panels that are on the table, except for those two side panels, they're gonna get a polish straight away. Let's hit it. Woo! the panels behind me here, painted, polished. Let's get them fitted, but let me show you first. So I've already fitted the lights back, got my two-tones going, rack's also painted, got all the other parts painted, got some stickers in. Okay, we're getting really close to completion. We just have to put decals and grips, and the decals are preset out on the bike already, so let's slap them on. Alrighty, it's time for the final piece of the puzzle here. Let's chuck on some grips, make this look good. Thanks for watching until the end, guys. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, definitely consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up and comment below what you think my next build should be. Have an awesome one. Cheers, guys.